Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, and I'm back with another video today. We have an unboxing video of Supreme Spring Summer 2019 Week 8 right here, and we also have a little something from Best Buy that I want to get into as well. Getting into the pickup. So if you guys know, if you guys have been watching, I do have a gaming channel, and most of the videos that have been on there recently, even though I haven't uploaded in about a month, have all been Xbox live stream videos, but I want to get into more gaming on the PC again. I used to do a lot of Minecraft videos. I think we can get back into that and try to do other games that my computer can actually handle. But so I got the blue Snowball Black Ice microphone. I've been looking at this for a while. I've been watching reviews on it, and I heard it's pretty good. And they had it there for, like I said, like $53 and change after tax. So I went ahead and picked it up. So I already did open it. To get the stand right here, just a little stand, set it on my desk. Then the actual mic itself. So the mic, blue, just a big circle mic. You just simply screw it on. Screw it on, then you just would have the legs like that, and it would just simply sit on my desk like that, and I'll probably have to, when I play, just be lower like this and have the mic right here. So that's the mic, $53. Hopefully this actually works with my computer. If not, I will be kind of be a little salt there, but that's the mic. Now we'll get into the main thing of the day. So this is from Supreme's Week 8 drop. We're just going to get right into it. If you guys watch my live cop, you already know what we got going on here. Matt got his. He got one. He got his next day shipping, which is like crazy. I don't know how we managed to get that the next day, not same day. Same day would be even crazier, but next day. So if I could do that. Nice cut. Probably should have showed you guys the opening, but it's open now, so go ahead. Peel it back, peel it all back, take the paper out, and there it is. Supreme bag. Go ahead, get rid of the box, get it out of there. Supreme bag is in very nice condition as well. So we're gonna go ahead. I got 2 box logo stickers and the Hot Wheels car. Ooh, this is fire. Yeah, this is nice, It says for the Hot Wheels collectors on the back. So, little close up right there. Has the Fleet Flyer with the little BMW right there. Pretty cool. It's crazy that this is going for like $100 on StockX right now. A little under. But it is very nice. I actually surprised at how big it is. It looks a lot smaller like in pictures, but it's actually pretty big. So I am going to be leaving this in the package, so you guys will see it in the back over there, probably like right on top of the crown, maybe back there or something. I don't really know. But the Supreme Fleet Flyer with the 1992 BMW M3. So we got that and the mic. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna test this mic, see if it works. Do a quick YouTube video for the gaming channel, test it out, see if it works. And that's it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure, if you guys did enjoy this video, to go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below if you were successful in getting the Fleet Flyer and how long did it take to come in the mail for you. Did you get it yet? This came in yesterday, but I wasn't here yesterday, so here it is today. And make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, especially because gaming videos for PC hopefully will be coming soon. And I will see you guys all in my next video. That's it. Peace.